serious people. They only touch matters that are there on social media. The matters that they know that they are going to benefit from Facebook payments out of posting the videos they do. I'm telling you, after you have interacted with them there on social media, they get paid and they live rich. And they forget about every pain that they've been seeing over your family. But I mean, I know people who are worth, people that they deserve our salute, but they are not saluted by us. I'm telling you, there are people who work secretly, privately. They don't even go around and claim that they are helping people. No, they don't. Why Putin, you posted that lady after giving her money? No, I was not posting that. I was posting it for evidence that I gave them money. Yet again, there are people like always to go around and badmouth me. Oh, Putin did not give back the money. Fuck you and I always do with fake documents. You are in UK with fake documents. She deleted TikTok because she knew that UK are going to follow her TikTok. And they are going to find her for scamming UK and being there with fake documents. There are people who are in UK with fake documents. And they are there and they are fucking around with us. Telling us shit that they are peeping all the women that are all there. They are taking care of the shit that they shit over them. And they are here to tell us shit here on TikTok. You are busy putting a flag as in like you are living a nice life. You are not. People say UK and you come to claim life to us. You must respect us, you guys. There was no need for always to abhala amanga ngami akhuluma amanga ngami kuma podcast abanye abantu athi uHlatshwayo did not give the family the money. That's why I posted the video so that you guys can know that it's all lies. I don't post people that I help in life, but I had to post that woman because I knew it happened public, so it must come to the public. And they are going around saying, no, uHlatshwayo udla imali. Bro, you don't even know me. You didn't even ask for a bank statement. I don't post people that I help in life, but I had to post only that one woman because phela vele besengisematheni always ngipetulula yethu pipi ihlama zamakhehla nabelungu le UK. Wangene UK fake bank statement. I can write that to UK and post the video and everything. Nyazin fake come a bank statement to fly to UK and mustn't say UK, you guys are breaking to us as in like you have made it in life. Don't be like that to us. I'll send a message to UK. All of you will be deployed to home. And Dokala ni utabane we disease. No, fuck you, bro. You don't brag to us about UK. You know how you got there. Some of you are sleeping with Amakesha there in UK to obtain citizenship. Fuck you, bro. I know your story. I know why are you angry. Fuck you, bro. There's no one who's gonna tell me shit here. I am in the mundo zongchelo shit la. I am in the shit la. I'm staying overseas. You know how you got there. Do I have to tell them how you obtained your visa? I can tell them. On how you obtained your visa. There's a story behind. Yet you claim ukuthi abase Zimbabwe bahambe baye Zimbabwe, but wena ukhuluma ukuthi ufike kanjani eUK. Babhala amaqala fake to seek for asylum, and you are there with that fake asylum. If I can tell the UK the truth, you are arrested. Let me keep quiet. Ngoba ngishintsha gogo lapha amaphampas, but ngifela nizosidelela guys. You don't do that to people. Some people, they hold your secret but they don't speak about it. You're sitting in lies. Okay. Tell them how you got there. You know how you got that citizenship. You decided to be pregnant yet you did not want kids because you wanted to be respected and honored by the country so that amaphepha. Then you had to be pregnant of a man that is a citizen there. Lendenziwa ama foreigner la ama anikhulumi nini ukuthi nani niyayenza eUK nase USA. Nihleli ngamanyala la nihleli khona. And you don't tell these people the truth. You are saying, no. If UK can take your phones and you guys can be investigated with coding and filing and programming, you guys are all out of UK. I didn't truly God. I don't speak the truth because the truth hurts. Oh, Bushiri Kebeng. You don't talk about your criminals that are there in USA. You don't talk about your criminals that are there in Canada. You don't talk about your criminals that are there in UK. You are busy talking about criminals that are all over. No, fuck them, bro. They've been trying to behave like they are living very good in UK, yet they know that they are getting fucked by the old people because they are begging for documents. Fuck them, bro. Even our men, they've been fucked in their hole. No, I'm not. I'm telling the truth, bro. You are better in that struggling house, bro, than going and becoming a prostitute yet you're a guy. Then UK, you'll get fucked for documents, bro. You don't talk like you have made it in life. You respect other people. There are people who tell you the truth until you cry. Respect other people, bro. Don't speak like you have made it in life. Relax. Don't speak like that. Don't speak like that. Don't speak like you have made it in life. You have not made it in life. No, you are not. You are just there through the grace. Just respect the grace. Don't come and step over people's head. Remember the grace that got you there. Hambi antantu always go onga my life khuluma ngegama lami uthabana udlele amali kwasha kwacima. I'm able to display the truth that I gave back the money to that family. And you are going around, you are telling us, I know, you are trying to quench these people from coming to the truth. And you say, la pay UK, ubizu, pipi hlama somlungu. Kuleso hlama somlungu, when apela 100 euro, uyafana no 100 rand wase South Africa, UK. Ukuthi njengoba mawuza ngapho ba namandla, but in UK it's nothing. You're staying like a slave. Upipi hlama somlungu. Umlungu akufusekisa kuthimsele ebusweni. But you come and brag on TikTok. You're like, I know, we're in the UK, we see you guys in South Africa. Fuck you, bro. What fake bank statement to be there? And you are coming to us, you are telling us shit, bro. I know all the routes to go to UK, bro. Let me keep quiet. Some of you stayed in prison for 6 months because you threw down your passport when you're getting inside the flight. And you're like, Mafia, you came up with a passport you did not have. And they put you in prison for 6 months. That's how Brown Mohotsi was arrested in the UK. Because now one last passport in that way. And you are coming to brag to us, I know. There's a rule that says you must lose your passport. Cause it to disappear. Go to the toilet, flush it. And you guys are saying, no, I'm telling you. You guys do not know deeper things. You are busy judging Uhlachwayo. Hey, this boy is talking too much. Fuck you, bro. You don't know me. I know secrets, mina, bro. If I can speak, the whole world can turn upside down, bro. Let me keep quiet. Baningi abalahla ama passport masebe ungena UK because bangena as visitors. Today they are citizens. After getting arrested. And when they are like, no. I mean, I can speak it out. And I can tell even the white men that this is where you are going to find their passports. They've been begging them with 3,000 euros to go back home. They don't want. And I know we are scared, asking people from this side to write affidavits for them. To witness that they are threatened in South Africa. Let me keep quiet. I don't want to talk a lot. To those who are hustling, who know why they are there, I'm sorry guys, I'm not talking about you. But to these shit people that are breaking on us, fuck you dudes. You are not better there. Yeah, now I'm telling the truth. Bakhona laba yabona khona abanye ngiphila nabo bafowethu engibazwela kule nkulumo because they did not do anything wrong to me. But bakhona laba ababreaka kithina abasilimazayo every day. Aba-actors in like they've made it in life. Ungazi ucabanga ukuthi uthishe UK ka no, uphipha ihlama yize buke njengoQueen Latifah. Fusek. You are better in your home. At least awubamba ihlama zabantu abadala. After ubamba ihlama umuntu akuthimsele. Fuck you, bro. Mina I'll speak the truth until I die, bafowethu. Qiniso ngintshela lona. There are people who come and brag to you, yet they don't tell you the truth behind what they are doing. Ah no, ubani janjan. Fuck you, bro. They are not teachers there. Even their qualifications are not recognized there. They are just simple general workers. Some of them are garden boys. Fuck you, bro. I hire a garden boy in my house. Fuck you, bro. If I was a UK citizen, you should have been my... Yeah, you know? Now they are telling you it's difficult in UK. I'm telling you, I'm sorry to all of you who are wounded by my statements. I'm taking my statements to Olwethu, and she deactivated her account because I was going to report her account to the UK embassy. Then they were going to investigate and arrest her. It's just that I don't want to talk about it. I know it's going to affect many people if I do that, so there's no need for that. But I wanted to know this truth because I know she's using a fake account to watch my truths here. Fuck you, Olwethu, for lying in my name. Knowing exactly that I did not rob that family, and you're lying and telling people that I robbed the family. I know. Fuck you, bro. I wish Luto la tima salma bro. I mean, I'll tell you the truth. You don't go around going around failing to focus on your life. Kada kuthola amaphepha kulonyaka kodwa useyaphapha already UK. Kada kuthola asylum. Usefana nokuthi yena akasabelong eSouth Africa. Ekazi uyongcwatshwa lapha maye. Maye ngafa nje lapha eUK umndeni wakhe awuphinde umthole. There are people who died in UK and they never came back. Yet nikhuluma ngamadlozi nithi hayi khona amadlozi. Fuck you, bro. Amadlozi akhe awafike eUK. Fuck you, bro. Awafika dinga ivisa ngena without a visa there. Zothula mina guys. No, mina guys angibathuka abantu ama-delayed, but abantu bafike bengiqala empilweni yami. And I don't know what I know more than they think I know. Okay. Maqondana yangibuza nawe uyinyanga eninkunzi. Yangiyiyo. Then ngiyinyanga ufunani? Ngiyona inyanga. Let me give you an answer. Ngiyinyanga ngene. Request yangiyiyo. Request exise fast. Ngiyiyo mina inyanga. Request exise fast. I can help you fast. Ngena. Ngiyinyanga ngena masishane ngosize. Ngiyasizana impela ngiyinyanga. Uyaphila maqondana.
Nawe uyinyanga inkunzi.
Yebo vula ikamera ngosize.
Yebo Nkosi.
Ikamera yami angavulela lapho.
Zwana.
Uyinyanga inkunzi.
Atuyanya lo hlama lo.
Bala bathi hayi ngoba ikamera thabani ungenzeni nani?
Zwana na ikamera ngakusendela accept. Ngakhuza
nakho. Kahle Putin.
Uright kunjani?
Ngiyabona la ujulukile la bakuthuma ukugishima impukane kwimadlanga namhlanje. Next igundwane.
Abathumela inyosi not impukane akuzinyosi okungona impukane. Akuzilo.
Ngona ositheleke umdolofi hayi kahle kodwa mfethu hey ngiyabona iqiniso liyagijima namhlanje hey igijima kakhulu iqiniso kunakuqala kubi azothi ikabuzana
aliko nje iqiniso elidlula leli umbonile lo wakubiza ngesitabane ukuthi nami ungibizile ngesitabane
udoctor
sokuya ngisukuthi ngithini njengomuntu ohlupha idlozi ngiyafole usizo kuye ngisukuthi ngithini yebo Thabani wena phiwe ne ngiyavungela ukuthi yangigobela wama ufuna ukulala nami ne
ngikhuluma ngalogobela wamanje mzala
manje anje liyani khala ngazi lokukhala mina ngibuye ngikufanisa nokuactor nje bafethu ngoba manje ngeke ukhalela ukuthi yena kulungisa icountry wena ubuso uziwa ukuthi uzokhala
abathola noThabani umthondo unamthondo namthondo yasebenza
hey kubhedile la wethabani abona lana asiyasithi isiZulu ethunikala nenxeba phela gcina kosuku iqiniso bafethu liyagijima abantu sebezama ukwenza ama excuse nje ukuthi yena bavike ukuthi yena iqiniso lingabahlabi egcina kosuku nje lebahlaba futhi stick ipain bayizwa ya nalokuthi into engayiphawula la mina webafu ngiyazwa ukuthi aniboni ngasolinye kodwa umuntu eyogobela uma isangoma wasethuka inhlamba nje yazi lo muntu lo hayi akusuye akusuye mfethu isangoma sihlonishwa nje kuthiwa abesigxothi sigxotshwa kanjani yabona ngenxa phela sisiphila ngaphansi komthetho thina umuvu umidlozi uyathembisa ukuthi uzophila kanjani emphakathini ngisho kuthiwa umphakathi usuyakucindezela noma uyakuphendukela noma bayakuthuka abantu bakubiza ngomthakathi wavela isangoma siyasola isangoma vele ngikuthi yabona uma isangoma udleze solakala vele ngezinto ezithinta ubuthakathi noma ukungenzi kahle endaweni ingakho kwazi kwaba khona umthetho ukuthi isangoma asayihambi lezi zinto ezifana nama celebration ngoba ngayo ukuthi kune party bese isiboniso ukuthi kunomuntu ozoshayeka phansi ngiyabona bese abantu benga understand ukuthi yiso nesenze lento ngiyabona kanti sona bedlulisa isibonakaliso bese kuthiwa ke awusithi umthetho isangoma asingayihambi lezi zinto ezikanje ngoba vele isangoma sihlezi sisolakala manje ke esinjani lesangoma esithi masisolo ngokungenzi kahle sona sithuka inhlamba sikhipha amagama angaka size siqambe namanga phakathi ukuthi wena unje ngiyabona igcina usuku yiyo into le ehlambalaza leli office lethu bese uzwane beba namahloni bese thina thabani kuphoqa ukuthi sikweseke thabani ngoba uma kunjena asikwazi ukusayida nomuntu nje yana thina uma uthi uyakuthuka thabani ufuna ukuthukele isizathu esizwakalayo ukuthi cha uthabani uyabheda usedla imali yomuntu njengalo bethu udla imali yomuntu we need ukuthi si reason ukuthi uthukelani ngoba nawe uma ubiza umuntu ngehlamba usuke usubona ukuthi yena usegeje kakhulu futhi nawe awuzuhle nje nokubekezela ukuthi ayikhona la ngithi yabona at least aseshithi siyagunyaza ukuthi ibiza abantu ngehlamba kodwa i-reasoning masibona ukuthi cha lo muntu uzovikela ubugebengu bakhe futhi uzomixa izinto engahlangani imibuso engahlangani siyabona cha bokumele abiza aso ukuthi yabona amathu vele usuke ubatest ukuthi bayiyo ngempela lento ukuthi abantu abaningi aba understand ukuthi abantu ukuthi uma usuthi usuke usumtest umuntu ukuthi uyiyona bese umunye masebizela leli gama la ekhaya bese veza ama true colors akhe ngithi yabona baveze ngisho esekuvala ngisho imic esekhipha amagama nje amaningi nani so angazi itest lena abantu abaningi abayifailayo ukuthi umethu uthi abantu wena uyilokho wena bese umuntu eveza ama true colors uthi uyikho ngempela ngithi yabona ukuthi yena mangathiwa bayizinjula abantu abaningi baye understand lethu ukuthi lo mfana lona uyasitesta manje sibe kuyiposition defend ukuthi si maintain iposition zonke ziyasuka iposition bese yazi into engiyigame kanti ayikho ni plan ukuthi abantu ukuthi yena makwenzeka singivukela ngiyokwazi ukuqhubeka ngicashe kanje ngibona abantu sebayi expose nje mina sebeveza yonke into nani kanti akunjalo ya nana ukuthi inkabi yami ngiyakubona la ukuthi yena uveza olunye uhlangothi la ukuthi wena awunamngani amaqiniso ufuke uyakubona khona igama lokho liphinda kaningi fuck you bro hayi kuba njalo vele inkabi yami umuntu ofana nawe akumele akhande friendship kumele ukhande isizwe ngiyabona futhi I think isizwe esiba strong kakhulu lesi ngoba isizwe esizokwazi ukuthi siyimele sikwazi ukuthi masonikezwe izinto sihlaziye kuqala sianalyze kuqala ngaphambi ukuthi siyimukele umprofeti uba nesizwe vele bafethu isizwe semadlanga isizwe sama critical thinkers yabona isizwe ese independence isizwe esafe kubantu abangabakhohlisi ngoba sithanda singathandi baningi abantu ohleli manje ongenamali olambile ocabanga istrategy ukuthi ngingabakhohlisa kanjani yabona ngathi kunomuntu manje obusy nje ozama uqamba amafutha akhe lapha awu 20 rand e8 zama Indian uzowabiza ngegama elizima bese ethi 500 amafutha lawo ukuthi yabona nani so uma umuntu ophilela kwimadlanga sakazi ukuthi ungabenefita kakhulu kuma strategy okuhlakanipha nestrategy sokuvula iso ngiyabona ukuthi iso lakho alihlezi livulekile amaqiniso ohlezi ephuma lathi abani bethanda bengathanda abantu imadlanga isohlezi isupporta siyeseka I think I was the first person ukuyeseka le cause le because sathi ikhale ezinke ezinga understand ngathi ngeke lento ithinta kakhulu ukudefenda isizwe ithinta kakhulu lento ukuvikela umphakathi kubantu abenza iprofit yabona ngokuhlupheka kwabantu so ngiyaphoqa ukuthi ya umuntu onengqondo nomuntu okwazi ukubuka into ayihlaziye hayi umuntu obanje ubugwala ngoba abanye bayathatha ama decision ngobugwala